For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Ubah poleng do ulong baka kanhun menteri kala menjer ban Kyntiew Kyrdan no ki Hinriu Tylli ki Skul Sorkar jang ka secondary section shaka higher secondary section bat banwan ra aru ikilan pulih thamai ne ki stream ha ki khatwe Tylli ki Skul higher secondary bat ka jinglot jingsap na ka benta kene ka jing Kyntiew Kyrdan ba ka jingwan ra ikini kilan pulih ka bathamai kan kot kombash folklor tengka ha ka shisnam ulong baka Sorkar kala shim kene karai ka de hadian baka dan ka jingduna ha ka jing la bentendrong kelas ka Kyrdan pulih kelas 11 kabelong tangkat ar hajar teligisi bat gajing bon pelat ki belet pulih ha ki Skul high secondary kam tam ke jakasor bat komta da gajing Kyntiew Kyrdan yakini ki skul ke nerap shibon ha kaban yo ban pendrong kelas no marmar sha ka khandai hajar ngon.
As you are aware, there is a deficit in our intake capacity at the 11th standard, which stands at 12,000 seats. And there is also a disproportionate concentration of higher secondary schools, mostly in urban areas and in the Khasi Jaintia Hills region. So to address this shortfall, the Cabinet today decided to upgrade a total number of 6 government secondary schools to higher secondary schools. The financial implication of the introduction of these new streams and the upgradation of public schools from secondary to higher secondary schools will cost the government exchequer roughly 10 crores per annum.